Hi guys, welcome back to Fam Legend channel, Fam Motorsport Performance Shop, and today they bring us here for the turbo exchange, guys. New turbo gonna install, and down there, and we're gonna tune it, guys. Look at this. Ooh, it's Honda Civic Si. Look at that. Yeah, man, look very nice, very potential, guys. Ooh, intercooler Edwin Si, guys. Probably his name is Edwin. Yeah, look at this. Woo! Probably the turbo, you know, it's bad, and they changed a different one. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice car. Man, look at that. Woo! Man, you can't see the turbo all the way down there. Yep. See, walk around, man. How many horsepower you think this is gonna be pushing? How many pounds? And iBoost, in cup we trust, guys. In cup we trust. Woo! Hey, tell me what side of the turbo is in here.
55, 58.
What you gonna change?
I'm gonna change the new turbo.
What side?
55, 58, but this time it's dual bearing.
Dual bearing. What kind of turbo? Precision?
Precision.
Precision. His name's Addison, guys. As Edwin license plate, but he gonna give to his little brother. And now we're gonna do the turbo swap and tune it, guys. Woo! Let's see. Look at that.
Yeah.
Brand new. Okay, it's fit. Lucky. New turbo, huh?
Yep.
How many pounds you wanna run?
Oh, it's stock engine right now, so it's like 2 or.
So how many pounds you want? 10 pounds?
Yeah, 10 pounds.
10 pounds good enough, huh? So that motor blow, I mean that that turbo blow out already or what?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's see. Yeah. It's a park here. And we in control right now. Woo! They go in the turbo, guys. Woo! Going in. Yeah. Go in, go in. Okay, we have to drop down the cradle, guys, to able to take the manifold and the turbo out. Yep. It's not easy jobs. Okay. Cradle going down. Guys. Rack and pinion, everything. Here's the turbo. Yeah. Ooh, bad already. Look at this. Yep. Down, guys. Uh-oh. Yeah. Yeah, turbo good. Yeah, shake a lot, man. Oh my God, look at that. Woo. Look at this. I can't even see it here. Oh, like that. Dang, bad. Yeah. Check it out, guys. Not that easy. Woo, man. Not that easy. Woo, the beast is out. Let's see. Yeah, man. Look at that. Woo, look at that. Man. Cold side. Damn, like that already. Hot side worse.
Rồi,
See
turbo nó phát luôn.
Oh man. Uống nó gì đâu. Ê, đủ đâu nhà vậy nó từ em nó nhậu nhẹt quá. That's wrong turbo, guys. This one is T3 34, and he ordered a wrong turbo. Yeah. Oh my God! Look at that. Woo, man. Bad. Let's check underneath this car, guys. Two hard suspension, everything. Ooh, nice. Suspension is nice. Look at that. Yeah, underneath very clean. Very, oh shit, man. Very clean. Look at that. Woo. Yeah. Turbo just come back from the machine shop. Okay. Turbo's in, guys. Baby's in there already. Yep, now put it back in order and tune it, guys. Thế được rồi. Okay, first start up with a new turbo, guys. Look at this. Woo, man, how it look. Very nice. Okay, first start up with a new turbo. So let's jack it up, see if there's any leak underneath that. Let's see. What do you guys think? Nice. Very good. Woo! I see no leak yet. Very clean, new oil, everything. Yeah. Woo! Nice. Okay. We're gonna let all the oil, gonna burn it all off, guys. This is all oil. Yeah, gonna burn it all off. See that? Smoking up. Yeah, hopefully it will clean in about 5 or 10 minutes, guys. It's my brother. Yeah. Check it out. Okay. Today we have to check out the spark plug and gap it, guys. So we're gonna tune it today. Today's the day to see. Woo, what you gonna say, man? What you gonna say, Anderson?
Follow and subscribe his channel.
Yes, Spam Legend, guy. Woo. Okay, spark plug out, guys. Okay. What's the clearance on the gap on the turbo spark plug?
Around 0.22, but this one too much. This one 3.0.
Yeah, we need to get the right gap for it, guys.
No, this one 35.
Yeah. Let's gap it. Good enough. Okay. Time to check it out. It is. Yeah. Okay. Now we're ready to tune, guys. Let's go. So I have to ride along on the back seat, guys. Woo! Back seat. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Can I go on this side? Yeah. Because he oh man, can't fit in here. Yeah, guys. In here, ready. Woo! Let's go. Let's go around that and go straight there. Yeah. Tuning every day, man. Woo. Yeah, right. Turn right, yeah. See how you shift. Good, that's more shift, huh? Good shifter, huh?
Kind of rusty though.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. road tuning with my brother and Edison right here, guys. Yeah. Woo. Civic SI. Yeah. Woo. Let's see the AR. Street tour, man.
Third gear.
Third gear
Yeah,
pull.
third gear.
Yeah.
Third gear pull, guys.
Oh.
Pull it. Woo. Man, this thing is quick. Smooth. Very smooth.
I think you adjust that too low already.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to go. If you want to go.
Third gear, huh?
When you fourth gear,
Yeah.
in third gear, then you can go.
Go to third gear?
Yeah, we're gonna see some boost. Go.
Get it.
Yeah, see some boost, guy. Woo, man. Sway, huh? Sway, live it. Yeah.
But you have only like 3 pounds. You need 10 pounds.
Yeah. Need to play with a boost controller, guy. Like that here, just is too low. Back to the shop.
Fourth gear.
Yeah, get it.
Hit the fourth gear, guys. Go. Woo, man. Woo, nice. After we adjust that, that's nice. That's faster, guys. Woo. Bump my hand on the ceiling here, guys. Yeah, 8-pound boost is still quick now, guys. Woo, man. That's nice already. Woo. Need a turbo spooling now. Pretty quick now. Decent.
At least you don't smoke from behind now.
Yeah.
That's the thing I hate. That's why my brother just left in the garage. Huh?
Woo, man. Wow. Woo, man. Nice. Smoke SVA, huh?
Slow down, hold on. Okay. Go, 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 go.
Go. Woo, man. Man. Woo, man. Crazy. Woo, man. Trying to smoke with me, man. That's a good pull. It's okay. We're back to Fan Motorsport, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel, man. Yeah. But I bet he's fast. I bet he's not slow. But he just stepped on the brake. Wait for us. Yeah, that thing is fast. Woo, so see you in the next video, guys. Peace. Thank you.
Let my idol one.
Okay, time to leave the shop, guys. Woo, let's see. Yeah. See you. Yeah, put a battery right here.